Hey guys, how's it going? Um, Going over my market recap of the day. The date is 6/7/2003. It's my birthday. Um, if you watched pre-market prep, you could know that our MED was main watch today. Looking for a dip and rip, looking for that spike, and then that dip, trap shorts, and then that push of that whole dollar, half dollar seven, which is just absolutely perfect. And it pushed up. Could have sold half on the way up. Could have sold half on this after this halt. Would have been a perfect trade, making 10 to 20%, even maybe more than that. So yeah, that was the play this morning. Worked out perfectly. Love this. Low float again, so this can continue to squeeze shorts. Nearing 52-week highs. So we'll see how it acts around these resistance levels here. So this pushes 10, it's really off to the races. Yeah, CLOV is a Reddit play, Wall Street's bets. They've been pumping, or they've been squeezing shorts on this thing for ever it seems like, and they've been having their fun. So keep that on watch, and we'll see how that goes into tomorrow. Um, ATOS was a breast cancer play. Um, Nice double top here. So if you're short, um, I know a lot of shorts probably piled in on the second double top. So I bet this thing's just trapped shorts. Kind of higher float, so that kind of sucks. There's the daily. Former runner, run there, ran there, ran there. Now it's running again. Long-term downtrending though, so um, you can see why the shorts are in it. So this could really squeeze, but I wish it was a lot lower float. Oh, excuse me. What am I doing? UONE continues to just squeeze. This had just been a perfect swing idea. Over this resistance, maybe an over 9. Um, yeah, that shoulda, woulda, coulda, whatever. ENZC. This is a former OTC runner. Just gone full supernova back in the first half of 2021. And it's running now, coming from like 12 cents, even under that, to now 30 cents. Not a huge percentage wise, but still, it's got that pattern, the 5, 6, and 7, and then kind of going back into the 2, 3 again, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So just that supernova pattern to a T. So we'll see if we can get some good morning panics on this one, which would be awesome. I have to wait for some money to settle until I can trade again. So ACIU, I believe this was a Alzheimer's vaccine, so be careful on that. That would be kind of cool news. So one and done's history of them, and not a very good chart. Kind of choppy, gross. Medium-ish float. So we'll see how this acts. Not the greatest price action, but if this can push over the 825, 830 range into tomorrow, if it can continue some volume after hours in pre-market, which would just be great. So yeah, showed you the daily. LMNL was my gap and crap. If you watch pre-market prep again, this was just perfect. Pretty much double top action. Kind of going for that dip and rip almost. But so you could have played it as that, but you would have been getting 50 cents a share, which is still pretty good for a you're buying at 6 or 5.75. So yeah, but nothing more than that. Kind of got stopped out pre-market highs and rejected into that. So and then faded all day. So keep saying so. I apologize for that. History of just big volume and then not putting in 2-day runs. So that's why we picked this as a gap and crap. That lower float, so low, so you gotta be careful. LEDS is just micro float. That's just been like, murdering shorts. Um, so this one's not my favorite pattern to play. I mean, I look for these dip and rips here, these post 945 plays to just miss out. I mean, it pretty much spiked straight away at the open. You know, it did it there, did it again today. So yeah, we'll see if this can push into day highs again. It needs more volume. Volume's drying up. Yeah, today it really dried up. So yeah, we'll watch that for the downside. Would be a good shorting opportunity. But make sure you're on the downside of the move. MVIS was over 20 yesterday. Beautiful. This has been I've been watching this for a while here now. And just completely got it over there 20 and then spiked to 23. Kind of came back, held, um, and then pushed into today. So kind of a gross chart, but choppy, gross, ache. But if this can push into that 25 range, it could really go. SENS, I think this was crap. Crap in the morning, so pretty much that double top couldn't break. So yeah, so this is why I use the post 945. Just kind of a bad stage in the pattern, and shorts could have banked on this today, so kind of came back into the afternoon, but probably wouldn't be playing it in the afternoon unless it broke that 3, which it didn't. Couldn't break that 3, so that's a key level for this stock is that $3 whole dollar, half dollar, and then so see what happens into Tuesday. AREC, it was just that higher float dip and rip pattern that absolutely failed. Again, that bad stage in that pattern, one and done, one and done, one and done back here. Put in a good run early 2020, but I just see a ton of bag holders in the stock. So when it gets up to that mid-range area, people are going to be selling it. You have a lot of selling pressure. So this just got absolutely murdered today. Not medium float again. And then TIGR, kind of sad. They did an offering, so that sucks. It was my swing trade idea. This is just that extended or that extra risk you're playing with when you're swinging these things. I didn't swing it personally, but it was a good idea. I think it was on this day over 26. It got to 28, so if you were quick, you would have made some profits, but just failed, and then they did an offering, so it's dead now. So main watch going into tomorrow is RMED. We'll see how that hangs around low float, super low float. So yeah, watching that break of 10, that would be a key level for this one. Just continues to murder shorts. So we'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you get some value out of this once again. And yeah, yeah.